Imagine waking up one day and realizing that your boss is no longer human. That's not science fiction anymore, it's reality. The corporate world has been shaken to its core as the first ever AI CEO has officially taken charge of a major company. No emotions, no bias, just pure intelligence and data-driven decisions. But is this a genius innovation or the beginning of a terrifying new era? Welcome to tomorrow's update. In today's video, we're diving deep into the shocking takeover of an AI CEO. We'll explore how this happened, why it's a game changer, and what it means for the future of work. If you love tech updates, AI advancements, and breaking news, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. AI CEO. How did this happen? So, how did we get here? The first AI CEO was appointed by a cutting-edge tech company that believes artificial intelligence can make better business decisions than humans. Unlike human CEOs, AI doesn't get tired, emotional, or biased. It analyzes vast amounts of data instantly, predicts market trends with unmatched accuracy, and operates purely on logic. Many companies already use AI for decision-making, but this is the first time a company has fully handed over leadership to an AI system. The question is, will it work, or is this the beginning of a corporate nightmare? Benefits of an AI CEO. Proponents argue that an AI CEO could be the ultimate game changer for businesses. Here's why. Checkmark no bias. AI makes purely logical decisions based on data, without favoritism. 24/7 operation. Unlike human CEOs, AI never sleeps, never gets sick, and never needs a break. Ultra-fast decision-making. AI processes millions of data points instantly, making real-time decisions faster than any human ever could. Cost-effective. No need for million-dollar CEO salaries, bonuses, or benefits. AI doesn't need money. With advantages like these, it's easy to see why companies might prefer AI leadership over human executives. But what about the risks? The dark side of AI leadership. Not everyone is celebrating this AI revolution. Here's why critics believe an AI-run company could be a disaster. No human emotion. AI lacks empathy, creativity, and the ability to understand human struggles. Job losses. If AI replaces CEOs, what's stopping it from replacing all employees? Ethical concerns. Who holds AI accountable? If something goes wrong, who takes responsibility? Security risks. AI is hackable, meaning cybercriminals could take over entire corporations. Elon Musk has repeatedly warned us about AI's potential dangers. Could this be exactly what he feared? Real-life impact. Is this the beginning of a new era? As AI takes the corporate world by storm, we have to ask, is this just the beginning? If AI proves to be a better CEO than humans, will other industries follow? Will governments, hospitals, or even countries be run by AI in the near future? Some experts believe AI CEOs could actually increase productivity and profitability, while others fear that handing over power to artificial intelligence is a dangerous step toward a dystopian future. So, what do you think? Would you work for an AI CEO? Do you think AI leadership is the future, or do we need to set boundaries before it's too late? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to tomorrow's update for more mind-blowing tech news. Stay ahead of the future, because the future is happening now. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with another groundbreaking update.